Hey guys, Dave here, and we're on our way to see a major home remodeling project that we're about to start in the next couple of days. It's a ranch home located in Bergen County, New Jersey. A young family owns the home. They hired us to design and build the entire top floor, first floor, and renovate the basement. So we're gonna go over there, take a look. It's a big job. It's gonna be beautiful when it's done. So let's go over there and I'll show you what it looks like. We are about to start another major home remodeling project. This is a ranch home, basement, full first floor, and then we're adding an entire top floor to this home. The entire house is getting renovated. I'm going to show you around what it looks like now and what it's going to look like soon. And what we're going to end up doing is completely stripping this house down inside and out, adding an entire new structure to the top of the house, renovating the entire interior, first floor, and the basement, and it's going to be an amazing turnaround. Let's go in the house. I'll show you what it looks like now. All right, guys, so the homeowner has moved out, obviously. They hired us, designed the plans, and build. And this is a ranch home. First floor goes all the way back about 40 feet. And here's the existing kitchen. We're gonna be completely stripping this entire top floor down. It's in pretty decent shape. All this getting stripped out of here. This is all plaster walls. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Everything you see is going to get stripped out and removed. We have the whole basement below us. Let's go down there, we can take a look and see if the lights are even on. See how much light we got here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we got some light. So as we get down in the basement here, now the garage is right through that door. So the garage comes up to about this wall right here. And then everything around here is going to get completely stripped. So what we're going to do here is the utility room's over here. We're going to relocate the utilities over to that side over there. And we're going to put a French drain in all the way around the perimeter here. We're going to go all the way around with a French drain. Again, down here to the front and along the garage wall. In the utility room, we'll have the French drain located, also the furnace, the hot water heater, all that's going to be in this area over here. Staircase is now going to get relocated to the front. So we're going to move this staircase to the front here. When they come down the stairs, they'll be turning right about here. And now what it will do is open up this whole area here, going straight back. We're going to have a bathroom. We're going to have a utility closet. We're going to have a in-law area here with a bathroom. And then there's going to be a family room over here, a little wet bar into this room here, and there's a door going out. So it's going to be a big turnaround on this house, 3 full floors, and you can see all this drop ceiling, the utilities, everything is coming out of here.